All right, what's going on, guys? Happy New Year. Welcome to 2021. I'm recording this really late at night. I was just laying in bed. And I was thinking about, what I did last year and how insane the things that I did last year were, especially with everything going on in the world and how that basically pushed me into, reaching these new heights in my business and life in general. So just to go over a couple things, first off, like I said, Happy New Year. Hope you guys are excited, ready to, have a new year to maybe reset or start another venture or wherever your, heart desires. But for me, I was just very blessed to have a great 2020. Had a lot of obstacles, a lot of challenges, a lot of things came in my way, but 2021 is going to be where I put everything that I've learned over the past, 3 years now and put it into new ventures. So 2 things that I'm going to be getting into that are not agency related, because I'm kind of trying to step away from as many clients as possible unless they're the right ones. I more so want to focus on, higher ticket coaching, consulting, selling more information, getting my templates offer back up and running effectively, having that email list being built and just keeping my name in the Facebook ad niche, at that, high tiered level. Because that's what I've done for the past 3 years. That's why I'm Jason Wojo. I'm scaling companies left and right with Facebook ads and systems and processes that, keep them profitable and take them to new heights. So those 2 extra ventures that I'm going to be doing this year. Number 1, I'm launching my own company with Troy, who is my, not just my best friend, but, he's an email copywriter, copywriter in general. He is basically a brother to me. We're going to be launching this company. I don't want to talk too much about it just yet. Just know that it's in the productivity niche. Oh my God, I can't even talk right now. It's really late. I'm a little exhausted, to be honest. And then also, I'm starting a business with my old cameraman from Orlando, where we're going to be doing sneaker reselling. Okay, I know this is something where you guys are probably like, oh, Wojo, come on, focus on things that are going to make you more money because you've done so well so far. Here's the thing about this is I like to get into a lot of ventures where I know I can make a lot of money, where I know I have the capital to flip and make a lot of money. I'm not talking about buying 5 pairs of shoes and reselling them. I'm talking about buying hundreds of pairs because I have the capital to do so. I have the cash flow. I have the liquidity to buy hundreds and hundreds of pairs of shoes, which is why I'm also starting this, productivity company as well, because we have the capital to do so. So those are the 2, niches I'm going to be getting into deep this year. Obviously, as you guys know, I had some really solid months here in 2020, that were very, I was making well over 6 figures a month for a couple of months. And then, I've had some problems with getting back up and running. And that's just a part of scaling. It's a part of having a business that's doing thousands of dollars a day, that you're going to run into problems. So there's that. Just looking to, be more, open-minded this year. Focus more on my happiness, not focus so much more on getting to certain facets of my life too fast. And, that includes relationships, that includes, love, that includes, fitness and whatnot. I'm more so just really focused on drilling home the opportunity cost in me not taking action on what I know can make me, well over $1 million this year. And that's easily one of my goals. I've always wanted to be a millionaire by the age of 24. And the way it's looking, I'm going to probably beat that. So I'm very excited about that. And this year's going to be awesome. I'm excited to just, network with more people, scale my clients to new heights, be myself, and really hone in on what I'm good at. And there's not I don't want to overbear myself or overwhelm myself with a lot of smaller goals. I just simply want to scale my businesses to 7 figures each. I want to sustainably grow in multiple facets of my life. I just want to be happy. Obviously try to travel more once this pandemic goes away. I'm hoping it does. But I'd love to know your guys' goals. If they're more personal, you don't want to mention them, that's fine. Just comment down below whatever you guys want to achieve this year. If you guys are launching a new venture, you want to hit 6 figures, you want to hit 7 figures, are you currently making 7 figures, you want to push it to 8, and maybe there's some way that maybe we can work together. So I appreciate you guys, tuning into my videos. I've been honing in so much of my content on here and growing, a more loyal fan base on Instagram and, Facebook, even LinkedIn, pushing these videos out on YouTube. So subscribe if you're new. And then, TikTok, TikTok, I've had over 1 million views already this year. So I have one video that's probably going to hit 1 million alone. So it's like, I'm trying to do this in a way where, it's obviously ROI positive because of the amount of clients I've gained from making these videos, but it's also like I'm putting so much money into my personal brand and it is coming back tenfold easily. So thank you guys again. Thank you guys for rocking with me for so long. I know a lot of you guys look up to me and I really appreciate that. I get a lot of DMs and messages every single day of, people thanking me for all the work that I've done, all the things that I've posted about, all the content and things that keep you guys motivated. So I appreciate you all. And I wish you guys the best of 2021. You deserve whatever you want as long as you want to put the work in. Put yourself around people who are doing the same thing and have the same intentions, have the same mindset, have the same goals. And there's no reason why you can't crush it, okay? This journey that I was on for the past 3 years started with a small idea and it became an absolute, cash machine. Just honing in on that one skill, that one high income skill, while building my name and equity in myself, turn into a massive empire that I know I can monetize forever. So thank you guys again. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.